Alongside literature and composition, oftentimes parents ask questions about grammar instruction and how that can be implemented at home. One important thing to keep in mind is that grammar instruction is important if we're going to have a mastery of the English language. Just like any activity is based on certain fundamentals, certain key building blocks in order to be able to do that thing well. English grammar is one of our roads to mastery in the English language, and something that we want to encourage with our students. So how can we instill grammar education at home? Keep in mind that certain things about grammar need to be memorized by our students. Things like the parts of speech and kinds of sentences are preliminary pieces of information that our students must know if they're going to have a greater facility with the language. A good way to encourage this at home is through sentence diagramming. There are a multitude of resources online that will help you understand how to diagram a sentence. Feel free to pull these sentences from all sorts of things. Maybe your student is reading a particular novel or work of literature, and you want them to pull one of the sentences from there. This could be a great opportunity to take a very well-crafted sentence and break it down into each of its constituent parts. Which ones are the nouns? Which ones are the direct objects? Which ones are the verbs and the adjectives? If you need a reminder about the various parts of speech, there's a multitude of resources online. Beyond simply identifying the various parts of a sentence, it's important to ask your students how they know that something is the noun or the verb or the adjective of a given example. While grammar involves a lot of memorization, it's important that students understand the reasons why particular parts of the sentence function the way that they do. Grammar curricula that encourage sentence diagramming, such as well-ordered language, are great resources to go to in order to help facilitate your students' understanding of the English language. While it may not be as exciting as literature or composite instruction, remember that grammar is an important facet in any student's ability to master the English language.